Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start the new topic of the chapter number 2, that is food preservation. Okay. So the word is new for you. Preservation. Preservation. To preserve means to save for later use. Okay. So what we have to preserve here? We have to preserve food. So how we can preserve food in our day-to-day life? Okay. So food is spoiled by microorganisms. So spoiled food has bad smell and bad taste and causes food poisoning. How we can recognize that this food is spoiled? मतलब this is not useful for us, so we can identify by bad smell, otherwise bad taste. Okay, and sometime if you touch it, so it will becomes very sticky. કોઈક વાર તમે જોશો ને તો સ્ટિકી આમ ચોંટે હાથમાં, right? 4-5 days સુધી if you are keeping the food as it is, so you will notice some changes. First of all, bad smell. Second, अगर खाधું तो bad taste. And if you touch it, so it's a sticky one. बराबर ने? So that is giving instruction that the food having some microorganisms present. Okay, they are causing food poisoning, right? Food can be preserved by protecting it from microbes. So whenever we are protecting the food by different this method, so we are protecting them from the microbes. Food can be preserved by different methods, and they are chemical method. Means what? We have to add some chemicals in the food. Which chemicals are eatable? The chemicals are available in the laboratory, not that. The chemicals which are eatable, that we are adding inside to food, like pickles. What is pickles? Achar. Can be preserved by using chemicals like salts and edible oils. So these are chemicals. Why? Because what is the formula of salt? Common salt. We learn in the chapter number 4. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Salt. ઘરે મમ્મી મીઠું યુઝ કરે ને? Salt. ફોર્મ્યુલા આ છે સોડિયમ ક્લોરાઇડ. We learn this. અને Na plus and Cl minus. Edible oil. Edible means the oil we can eat, right? तो मम्मी जे oil use करे तो salts and edible oils are preservatives in pickles. અથાણું જોઈએ તો તમે જોતા હશો અંદર oil હોય અને salt भी વધારે હોય later. Jams and squashes. What is squashes? Squash ખબર કે નહીં? અરે પેલું આવે તે જાડું જાડું અંદર એક સ્પૂન લેવાનું and then water and then crush it. Crush કરીને બી તે that squash. મહાબલેશ્વરમાં બહુ બધું મળે, માલાઝ અને એ બધી કંપની. Jams and squashes. એક ટાઈપનું જેમ જેવું જ હોય બટ જ્યુસ તમે બનાવી શકો આનામાંથી squashes માંથી. Can be preserved by using sodium benzoate. Okay, this is very important. How we can preserve jams and squashes? By using sodium benzoate. Okay, sodium benzoate. Sodium metabisulfite. Okay, આ બે વસ્તુથી થાય. Sodium metabisulfite. આ રીતના યાદ રાખવાનું. Okay, these chemicals are called preservatives. Okay, so the chemicals that are used to preserve food for the later use, they are called preservatives. 1 marks question. And if asked that state some name of the preservatives, so you have to write salt, edible oil, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite. These are the preservatives. Okay? Yes. Moving ahead, second method is by using common salt. Okay? આ સોલ્ટ જેની જે વાત કરે છે કોમન સોલ્ટ. which thing we are preserving by common salt only? जरा दिमाग लगाओ, घरे मम्मी શું બનાવે? Amla. This is right now. Amla is a good Indian name. In English name છે gooseberry. Gooseberry. ખબર છે?
Yes.
Amla નું name. Gooseberry. Okay. Food items like fish. Those who are non-vegetarian, तो fish ने salt નાખીને dry કર sunlight માં.
Yes.
Likewise meat, amla also. Amla candy પેલી મમ્મી બનાવતા હોય તો, right? તો એને boil કરે ને પછી dry કરે ને બધું process કરે, right? Raw mangoes. ખાટી પેલી આમલા અરે સોરી ચેરી કાચી કરીને સ્ટોર કરે પછી એનું આમચૂર પાવડર બનાવે ને ડ્રાય કરીને સનલાઇટ ટેમેરિન. what is tamarind? ઇમલી. વેરી ગુડ. ટેમેરિન્ડ, ઇમલી, આમલી આપણે કહીએ તે એ that is also stored. ઘરે તમે જોયું હશે મમ્મી એમાં salt નાખીને keep it as it is for the whole year use. હા ને? so it is used by common salt, preservative. Can be preserved by using common salt. It prevents the growth of microbes. Who prevent the growth of microbes?
Common salt.
Here who is preventing?
Chemicals.
Okay. Chalo. Now by using sugar, some food items are there which can be preserved with the help of sugar. Sugar is also a preservative. एक example કેસો તમને ઘરમાં available હશે but you don't know કે you are using this method for preservation. કેરીનો રસ.
Yes.
અને મમ્મી adding sugar and crush it and then frozen it, right? The sugar itself it is behave like a preservative. બરાબર? preservative નું કામ કરે. no microbes can be added inside, right? ચલો. then the food items like jams, jellies, squashes etc. can be preserved by using sugar solution. jams તો ખબર ને?
Yes.
ખાવાવાળી jams નહીં. બ્રેડ પર લગાવો. all fruit red yellow આવે તે. okay, jellies તો તમને ખબર જ છે. squashes I told you, right? It's a thick mixture of the fruit mixer and then after you can add water and crush it. So sarbat ban jaye, juice jaye.
Yeah.
Right? That is called squashes. It can be preserved by using sugar solution. Sugar solution matlab sugar plus water. Mix it. It's sugar solution, right? It prevents the growth of microbes, right? Then after by using oil and vinegar. Okay, so some food materials are preserved with the help of oil by adding oil and by vinegar. Food items like pickles, vegetables, fish, meat, etc. are preserved by using oil and vinegar. Okay, so many things are there that are used. Vinegar having citrus taste, like khatto under taste, that's why it's become a preservative and not allow microbes to enter in the food. It prevents the growth of the microbes. Then by heat and cold treatments that yesterday we discussed. Okay, that heating food items kills microbes. For example, boiling milk. Similarly, storing food items at low temperature. Then after the milk becomes at normal temperature, we keep inside the refrigerator.
Yes.
Okay, for the preventing of the growth of the microbes. Okay, so let's move ahead. I hope these 4 methods are clear to you. It can come in the short note type question. Okay, write a short note on food preservation. That means you have to explain what is food preservation and explain its methods in 1-2 line. Okay, it's very easy. You can write it in your own words. Barabar? Now the next method is pasteurization. Pasteurization Now Louis Pasteur was the scientist જેણે પેસ્ચરાઇઝેશન મેથડ ડેવલપ કર્યું હા ને લुईस પાસ્ચર તો process of heating milk to about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, what we have to do, we have to heat the milk to the 70 degrees Celsius. And how much time it will take? 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, when a gas flame is on a high flame, that time. Barabar? And then suddenly chilling it to prevent the growth of the microbe is called pasteurization. This process was discovered by Mr. Louis Pasteur. આ ભાઈએ ડિસ્કવર કર્યું. Louis Pasteur. LOUIS PASTEUR. Louis Pasteur. Okay, very easy. 1 marks question. What is pasteurization? Okay. By storage and packing, so how this packet food is available in the market, you can say this is jelly. Huh?
Yes.
The squash. So many food items are stored in airtight containers to protect them from the microbes. These are available in big bakeries and departmental stores. Right? So jams, jellies, fish, milk, curd, and these all freezing items. Jellies, packet food, and ready to eat packet food are also available. You have to just open it and you can have it, right? And these are the liquids or squash present inside. It's thick liquid. You have to add some water and then you can have it. Enjoy. Beverages kevaya, right? So this is another type of storage of packing. Barabar? Now nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Okay, so nitrogen cycle, as I told you that how much nitrogen is available in the atmosphere? 78% available in the atmosphere, right? So as I told you that plant needs nitrogen for growth only. Okay, એ લોકોને nitrogen જ જોઈએ. So they cannot be absorb this atmospheric nitrogen directly. So that's why they are depending on the microbes to absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into the compounds of nitrogen.
Yes.
Right? So here you can see atmospheric nitrogen, and then after you can see the arrow, so nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. These two are there. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, what's the name of that bacteria?
Rhizobium.
And blue-green algae. It's written in your textbook, no need to copy anything. Everything is there. Just look at the nitrogen cycle given in your book. Fix matlab converts. Okay, converts atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. Okay, then after compounds of nitrogen in the soil, that compounds of nitrogen will mix in the soil, right? And then after that nitrogenous compound is taken by the plant different parts, and that plant is eaten by another organism. Bacteria turns compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen and it's eaten by other animals, and then after when they died that after they are mixing in the soil and then again converts into nitrogen. This way this nitrogen cycle runs. Another way, lightning and fixing nitrogen. When monsoon season is there, that time lightning થાય, વીજળી ચમકે. So that time also atmospheric nitrogen converts into nitrogen compounds, and then after mixing into the soil, and then after same process. Okay, and converting to gaseous nitrogen, and then after taken by the plants, that plant is eaten by another animal is eaten by big animal, then big animal or small animal died, they mixed in the soil, biodegradable happens, and then after they convert again into the nitrogen. Barabar? Atmospheric nitrogen. Then compounds of nitrogen in the soil uptake by plants. બરાબર આ જે સોઇલ માંથી સીધા પ્લાન્ટ્સ માંથી લેવાય then after animal eat plants and then after nitrogenous waste from excretion and death બરાબર જે લોકોનું excretion excreta you all are knowing
Yes.
the waste product of the animals and then death so that time also they are mixing in the soil so this is also 1 2 3 okay this way you have to learn first second third fourth and again one right this way third fourth then third 5 6 7 barabar you have to learn likewise then only you can learn it easily okay
Yes.
easy
Yes.
understood
Yes.
this is nitrogen cycle in the written form we'll learn so now start reading the nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into nitrogen compounds in the soil by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue green algae this is very important to learn nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue green algae lightning also converted into nitrogen compounds in the soil the nitrogen compounds in the soil is used by plants for the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. When these nitrogenous compounds are mixing in the soil, so that time what actually happened? So they are synthesis. Synthesis matlab releasing. What releasing? Proteins and other compounds. Whatever the 5 nutrients we learned in the previous classes. That proteins, vitamins, nutrients that are releasing in the soil. Right? Animals feeding on plants get this protein and other compounds. Okay? When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi in the soil converts the nitrogenous waste into nitrogen compounds. When any of the animals die, so that time who is starting decomposing procedure? So the fungi and bacteria and fungi in the soil, present in the soil, they start converting this animal or human body and releasing nitrogenous compounds. Barabar? Nitrogen waste mathi compounds start releasing which are again used by plants. So soil ma mix thai jai. Then after plant is taking it again. Some other bacteria convert some nitrogen compounds in the soil into nitrogen gas. कुछ बैक्टीरिया શું કરશે એ જે નાઇટ્રોજન કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ ને નાઇટ્રોજન ગેસ માં કન્વર્ટ કરી દેશે which goes back into the atmosphere hence the nitrogen in the atmosphere almost remains constant બરાબર constant રહે ઓછો નહીં થઈ જાય વધી બી થઈ જાય you can see in this diagram right these are the rhizobium bacteria present on the nodes of the roots right these are blue green algae microorganism importance of the microorganisms so microorganisms are vital matlab very much important to humans and the environment as they participate in the earth's element cycles such as the carbon cycle nitrogen cycle as well as fulfilling other vital roles in virtually all ecosystems such as recycling other organisms dead remains and waste products through decomposition okay તો જેવી રીતે નાઇટ્રોજન સાયકલ છે likewise carbon cycle અને we learn in previous classes so microorganisms also have an important place in most higher order multicellular organisms as symbionts symbiosis we learned in last year અને what is symbiosis શીખેલા ને 7th standard માં okay many blame the failure of biosphere to on an improper balance of microorganisms okay our digestion system is also having some good bacteria present in our stomach which makes our digestion easy right you will see this type of microbes in the slide in microscope, right?